call me a hurricane, cause I fuck up everything. You probably ain't see me coming, not even a chance of rain. Ain't no use in running, no car, no boat, no plane. Spent my whole life goodwill hunting, and I still came out the same. Am I broken? Go ask my doctor. I was hoping for something more proper. I got a notion that I can't stop this. I've been coasting in and out of logic. I try to get help, man, they block my insurance. Patience as well, I got a lot of endurance. A mental melt is a weekly occurrence. I keep the waves to myself, you couldn't handle the currents. Who's gonna save me when I'm running around acting wild? I need to break free. At least I be crashing in style. Collecting my pieces, I got them stacked up in the pile. This is what makes me. People call me a time bomb, I explode on the cusp of calm. You can ask my mom, I'm a firecracker in your palm. I'm always treading lightly, something like a duck in the pond. My glare is icy, underneath my cool is gone. And what the fuck happened? I don't know. Am I the captain of a sinking boat? Whitewater raft in the sea too bold. I need passion to feed my hope. No more acting, I forgot the lines. Secret potion, unlock my mind. If I stand for nothing, take my spine. I need love, let the hate subside. Who's gonna save me when I'm running around acting wild? I need to break free. At least I be crashing in style. Collecting my pieces, I got them stacked up in the pile. This is what makes me. Being a villain, it seems so appealing. It seems that the heroes always nailed to the cross. I make a killing